Okay. Hi, this is Drew. For this module, I built a relational database using MySQL to model a simple task and time tracking system. It demonstrates table design, relationships, foreign keys, and SQL queries like joins and aggregates. I want to start by just showing you which tables I'm going to be using. We'll do show tables and run that. Okay, there we go. Let's start with our projects table. Our projects table is very simple. It stores high-level goals, just whatever the goal may be. Moving on to our sessions table, it logs the time worked on that goal. Task summary, that's one of our tables. And then tasks, that stores the individual work items. And then users, which just stores people. So those are the tables that I'm working with here. Real quick, I just want to run this command right here, describe tasks. Tasks. There we go. Just want to run that real fast so we can see the results there. There we go. Okay. Now, each task belongs to a user and a project through foreign keys, which enforces relational integrity. That's what I was learning about mostly for this project was that sort of thing. And then one more thing I want to do: describe. Excuse me. Describe sessions. There we go. Run that command real fast. Okay. Now, each session belongs to a task, so one task can have like many different time logs if we get to that point. Now, I just want to run a few simple commands just to kind of show what it is that I've built here. For starters, let's just do select all from tasks and run. Okay. So here is the sample data inserted into the system. Let's do select all from sessions. Run that command. There we go. Okay, these are the time logs for each task. So right here we can see the session date, minutes worked, and then of course our IDs. Now for this next part, I want to run a few blocks of code that I'm just going to copy and paste over from this document that I did, just so that I can keep this smooth and quick. The first thing I just wanted to show was join. I'm going to go ahead and paste that right now. There we go, and we're just going to run it. So this block right here that I've just written, it just joins, it combines tasks with their assigned user. So there we go. Design schema, Drew Stanley. Seed data, Drew Stanley. Write queries, Drew Stanley. Backend planning, Alex Kim. It's pretty self-explanatory. We've just got the task with the user. Let's go on. Let's move on to aggregate. I'm going to copy another block of code that I wrote and just paste it in right here so I can show you this one. Anyway, pretty simple here. Basically, it just uses aggregation to calculate the total time spent per task. There are obviously with SQL, there's so many different ways that we can use both of these. This is just I just want to do quick examples here. And then the last thing, or actually, I guess there's two more things I want to show really quickly. The next one will be update. So I'm going to go ahead and paste this right here. There we go. Run that code. This is obviously very, very simple. It's just updating the data right there where ID equals 1. Yeah. And last thing, I just want to show view. And this actually is very simple. It's just select all from task summary and run. There we go. It's just a view to generate a reusable summary report. Okay. Anyway, in conclusion, this project just demonstrates relational schema design, foreign keys, joins, and reporting queries. Full SQL scripts will be available on GitHub. Thank you very much for watching, and I appreciate it. Have a good one.